Good afternoon, everybody. This is Paul Wallin, Senior Partner, Wallin Klarich. This week, I've chosen to talk about something that I really believe, if you listen closely, could save you from being booked, printed, sprayed, and spending time in jail. In 35 years plus of doing this, one thing I've always wondered is why do people think they can outsmart a police officer? The very worst thing you can do if you're being investigated for a crime is to ever speak to a police officer. And the second thing you could do that will almost assure that you go to jail is when you know you're under investigation for a crime that you may or may not have committed, to do nothing. I always tell people, God forbid, if you're a woman and you feel a lump in your breast, is it wise to do nothing so it can spread and, God forbid, kill you? Or if you're a guy and you go to the toilet and you see blood, is it smart to do nothing and just wait for a doctor to tell you that you have cancer? And it's the same thing if you're being investigated for a crime. If the police are investigating you for a crime and you know they may be coming to your work or your home, to do nothing and just wait for the police to come is just not intelligent. And the only thing less intelligent is to talk to the police officer when they want to talk to you about a crime. This is the most important thing I'm going to say today. It does not matter how smart you are or think you are. It does not matter how innocent you think you are. By the time a police officer has questioned an alleged victim of a sex offense or a hit and run or a robbery, by the time they come talk to you, they think you're guilty of something, and they're trained to get you to make admissions or to say that you made admissions, which could take a winnable case to a losing case, could take your freedom away and end up in jail. So the most important advice I'll give you today, and if the one thing you learned today, is please, before you talk to a police officer, consult with a criminal defense attorney. We'll talk to you on the phone for free. We'll tell you what you should do. If you come in, we'll charge you a fee to take over your case to try to stop criminal charges from being filed. Wouldn't that be pleasant? Instead of not being able to sleep at night and wondering, is that a police officer at the door? Take that pressure away from you, knowing that if a police officer comes to talk to you, all you have to say is, Wallin Klarich is representing you, officer. Give me your card and I'll have them call you. And then you say, have a good evening, officer. And then it's over. So that's a very good lesson for today. Please give it some thought. Please don't get arrested. Have a great week. Bye.